My name is Grayson McDonald, and this is my graduation story. After graduation, I plan to continue my full-time position at HOLT CAT while continuing my education at Mountain View College. My last 4 years at Dubiski Career High School, I spent in the shop working on tractors and gaining the mechanical knowledge that's helped me get to the point that I'm at now. Currently, I'm the FFA chapter president, and formerly I was the district treasurer for FFA, or the Future Farmers of America. And these positions taught me leadership, working with others, and time management. I'd really like to thank all my main building teachers for my core class help and my e-building teachers for the pathway help on my hands-on learning. I like my legacy to be that I help those around me understand mechanics and help them with transportation, as well come back to Dubiski and maybe even help those students trying to learn mechanics